What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and you already know, man, it's Monday. If you're watching this video, it's Monday, man. Y'all know the routine. When you come over to this channel, look forward to videos every Monday, every Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when we're dropping. You're getting a sneaker review, you're getting some fashion content, man. You're getting a little bit of family updates, all of the above, man. So if you're into this channel, hit that like button, like I said, hit that subscribe button, show love, tell a friend to pull up on this channel. But you know, we just had a release this weekend, and I'm bringing it to you today. Let's get into today's video. So I got the box right here, man, and as you can see, we got an all white with a gold Jumpman, the words flight, or the word flight, I said words. The word flight right here on top of the box, man. You know what that means if you are a Jordan fan. You know what type of sneaker comes in this box. And the white and gold is really giving it away. But let's go ahead and read what's inside the box. We have the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. The color is sail, metallic gold, and black. And that is a women's 9.5 right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. Get a little closer. So let's get inside the box. It's a plain white top box right there. Again, we got the kind of translucent looking clear paper right here with gold Jumpmans all over it. Pretty simple. Get to see through right to what's in the inside. In the inside. Let me get my words out, gang. We got the Air Jordan 4 Retro. White and gold right here. Tell me what y'all think about that, man. What's your initial reaction? Man, so my initial reaction to this shoe, just to be honest, is that it's a very simple, subtle colorway. You know, the box said that there was some black on this shoe, and I don't see any black. And I'm just gonna be honest. Let me see that box one more time, babe. I'm pretty sure when I read it, it did say that it was black on here. Yeah, colorway sail, metallic gold, black. Yeah, it says it right there. Like, I can't make this up. I'm searching for black on this shoe. I don't see any black. If you're watching this and you picked up this shoe in the comment section, let me know in the comment section below why it says black on the box. If you know, inform me. The community, shout out to y'all, man. Anytime I have a question, anytime I have some issues, y'all always help me out, man. But I don't see any black on here. Very simple. You got pretty much just white throughout the shoe. You got those pops of metallic gold right there on the lace. What do you call this part, man? It's holding the laces right here on the outside edge. I don't know the correct term, guys. We ain't perfect over here on this channel, but we're gonna live in our truth. Anyway, man, you got your pops of gold right there. And then you got some sail complementing this shoe. You got sail right here on the bottom, kind of in the midsole area, I would say. Sail around the front, sail on the sole right there. And for the most part, man, it is a overall just pretty simple shoe. Very, very simple, but classy. It's kind of giving off the same vibes that those white and gold women's exclusive Air Jordan 1s that I brought to the channel. If you haven't already, go check out their review. I'm seeing a theme with Jordan with his white and gold, and maybe they'll continue to do this with some other silhouettes. I feel like the Gratitudes kind of had the pops of gold on there as well. We'll see what else is coming out in this white and gold colorway, but tell me what y'all think about this Air Jordan 4. As always, man, we're gonna pull out the second shoe and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison on what we like to call here on the channel the quality control segment, guys. At least that's what I'm calling it now. If y'all got a better name for the segment, man, drop it in the comment section. Help your boy out. But I'm gonna call it a quality control segment for now. Retail price point on this shoe, I believe, was $210. I'm thinking maybe it was $210, man. I honestly, man, I've been kind of just copping and moving. I want to say 210. I want to say it was 210. I'll fact check it in a second. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen. I'll put it up on the screen, but I'll give you the accurate amount here soon. But it's a little different to see a women's shoe be priced that high, because to be honest, they really look out for the women, not only on quality, but on the price of the shoe. And there's a lot of women that are actually able to get those big kid sizes, which allows them to not have to pay a lot for shoes. If there's women watching this video right now, tell me what you think about this shoe and the price point on this shoe. Do you think it's fair? Do you think that Jordan Brand is trying to really just reel y'all into paying what we normally pay on shoes? And if so, are you happy or are you upset about that? Because we're seeing price increases across the board, whether that's the Jordan 1s or just some of these exclusive drops that have happened lately. It's the economy, man. And I think every company is trying to squeeze every extra dime or dollar that they can out of each and every consumer nowadays. I don't blame it, it's just business, but this is a bit different seeing a shoe cost this much for it to be a women's exclusive. But overall, I'm seeing nothing on this shoe. Looks pretty good, clean leather, nothing too hard. Not great leather. I honestly think the Bred 4 Reimagined leather is better than this. But overall, nothing going on with this shoe. Nothing to look out for, at least on the pair that I received. Jordan Brand did a great job. So let's get into styling this shoe, man. And I'm gonna be honest, like when I think about styling an Air Jordan 4, it's such a fun shoe to style, just because personally it's one of my favorite silhouettes. And even though I know I don't have this shoe in my size, I think it's a shoe that you could really keep it simple, but at the same time, you could really take it to another level. Similar to the Air Jordan 1 white and gold, the women's exclusive, I see this being a shoe that you could wear to like a sneaker ball. Definitely something that you can pull out in the summertime with all of this white and this gold. You definitely want to complement it with maybe some pops of gold or maybe some sails, some off-white colors in your outfit. But there's a way to do it and to make it happen. A lot of people may say it's way too much white. You even got white on the tongue right here, but you gotta make a way to pull that sail out. I think that's the sail is the color you're gonna have to play on to really make this pop. The gold, I wouldn't really go too crazy with the gold. Maybe with accessories, I think you could kind of make that pop with, like, you know, bracelets or necklaces or something like that. Maybe even glasses having some gold accents on it or whatnot, to bring that gold out. But I definitely wouldn't really do a gold shirt or, you know, some gold pants. Not me personally. Could you do it? I do believe you can, but that's not the route that I would take. I would definitely play on that sail and pull that color out and just really make it stand out. But you can, as I say always, you can really do your thing with this one. So before we get out of here, man, we're gonna make it real simple. I gotta give you a rating, gang. I gotta give you a rating. Y'all know if you've been watching to this channel, that's crazy. If you've been watching this channel already, man, you already know my favorite silhouette. One of my favorite silhouettes is the Jordan 4. I really love this silhouette. I just love the way it sits. I love the way it looks. I've copped so many different colors of this specific silhouette, but you know, it's rare that I give a Jordan 4 a bad rating, and I'm not gonna give this Jordan 4 a bad rating, but there are some features on this shoe that I'm not necessarily a fan of. Not really a fan of the white sock liner. I just think that that's really giving easy to get dirty and hard to clean. And so there are some people out there that will say, man, you can do this, you can do that to get it clean. But I'm gonna make it pretty clean, pretty easy, pretty simple, sweet, straight to the point, because I've been rambling. My rating for the Air Jordan 4 women's white and gold, or metallic gold, whatever you want to call it, I'm going 6.5 out of 10. We're going 6.5 out of 10. Not a terrible shoe. Definitely a shoe that I would personally keep. This is a shoe that I would wear. Y'all know I'm not going to bring a shoe to the channel that I wouldn't personally wear. Now, my opinions are my opinions. They're based on, you know, what I think about the shoe, just inside and out, the way it's constructed, the materials, and all of the above, the colorway, all of that just factors into me rating the shoe. But we're gonna go 6.5 out of 10. Tell me if you think that's too high in the comment section. Tell me if you think it's too low in the comment section. But as always, man, it's your boy Coach T. Love is free, hate costs. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.